Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is IFBB Pro Rutuja Hegshetye and today I am making this very informative video. बहुत सारे लोगों को डाउट्स होता है कि एज अ बिगिनर कौन से सप्लीमेंट्स यूज करने चाहिए. So this video I am specially making it for the guys who are beginner, who have just entered into a fitness journey or maybe lifestyle or maybe transformation and they are trying to get fit and healthy. Okay, so firstly, I would like to say that as a beginner, you do not require any supplements. You first need to understand that you first need to be consistent, you first need to be regular, and you first need to be able to adopt this as a lifestyle. Once you know that you are doing good, you can try using these supplements. So the first supplement I am going to talk about is multivitamins. Multivitamins is a combination of vitamins and minerals which are naturally occurring in food. Combinations of multivitamins or consumptions of multivitamins can help us to make the gaps between the nutritional deficiencies and also great for immune system and overall health. So why do take multivitamin supplement when they are naturally available? Okay. Yes, they are naturally available into fruits and vegetables, but unfortunately, we do not get enough minerals and vitamins from it. The CDC in the recent study found out that 76% of the adults lack fruits in their diet and 87% of adults lack vegetables in their diet. Now, this can be due to various reasons. The lifestyle is different, they don't like eating fruits or they don't like eating vegetables, or maybe they're just really lazy to consume it or maybe to cook it. So how do we get it? It's through the multivitamin supplements. So the benefits are it's good for your heart, it reduces cancer risk, it's good for your immune system, it's good for your health, overall health, skin, hair, nails, it's good for your organs, which means overall health. The next supplement I would like to talk about is omega-3 fish oil tablets. EPA and DHA are two omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil. The studies have shown that consuming these can enhance the anabolic effects of a meal just co-ingested after a meal. They show great health benefits. Fish oil can also decrease soreness and improve your recovery rates. Studies have also shown that the increase in anabolism, when consumed fish oil around 3000 to 3500 mg, which contains both EPA and DHA. Also, 3 to 6 gram per day of fish oil has shown great health benefits. There are also other benefits of fish oil, like it improves the skin, it aids for weight loss, it has other health benefits, it's good for your heart, and it's good for your overall health, and it's also good for people with certain mental disorders and etc. So the third supplement I would like to talk about is whey protein. Whey protein is nothing but a protein supplement, a supplement of protein, which is a macronutrient. Indians usually have a very low protein diet. People like vegetarians or vegans who do not get any lean source of protein can definitely add this into their plan. Protein is generally a very important macronutrient that everyone should consider for a healthy aging, healthy growing, and for overall health benefits. Now, whey protein comes in different forms. First is the concentrate whey protein, then is the isolate whey protein, then is the hydrolyzed whey protein. There are other protein sources like soy protein, vegan protein, casein. So to begin with, you can start with concentrate whey protein. Concentrate whey protein is nothing but a protein supplement which has protein, but it has certain kind of carbs also, very low, but it does have. If you are conscious about your macros and if you are looking for something very lean, like with zero carbs, zero fats, then you should consider going to an isolate whey protein source. Benefits of protein, it's It's very important for every individual, not just to build muscle or for fat loss, but also for your overall health, for your overall growth, and for your healthy functioning of your body. So that's it. These are my 3 recommended top 3 supplements which you can begin with, and you will definitely see changes and progress and a healthy living and healthy lifestyle. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, mention in the comments what did you like and what would you like to see more. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you guys for watching and love you all.